Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Monero coin. Today I want to share with you how the price line of Monero has completed another bullish reversal harmonic Gartley move on the 2-day chart and how it can turn bullish, and I will also share the complete buying and sell target for this trade in this video. Before moving to the live chart, I would like to share with you my previous analysis. My recent previous two ideas that I shared at the Patreon. One was this another bullish reversal Gartley pattern that the price line of Monero formed on the 4-hour chart, the small time period 4-hour chart, and here we can see that the price action just spiked in the potential reversal zone, and after playing this chart we can see that at that time the price line was moving at $141 and rallied up to $190. That was more than 34% profit, and I shared this idea on 9th of January, and then I shared another bullish reversal harmonic cipher move at the Patreon, and this pattern was formed on the weekly time frame chart. And now I'm just going to show you how this move worked. By the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and you will also find a lot more other trading ideas there because I'm sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. Okay, here we can see that the price action entered in this buying zone of the bullish cipher move. And after playing this chart, we can see at that time it was moving at $131 and rallied more than $119 because this rally was up to $287. Now, if we take a look at the live daily chart, at this time, the price line of Monero has formed this up channel. You can see that this formation of the channel is just started. And if the price line will be moved to the downside from here, then this up channel can be changed to the rising wedge pattern from the up channel. At this time, I'm expecting maybe the price line will be moved up to this level. At this resistance, then it can move down. And in the meanwhile, the price line is also having a support of EMA 21 daily. And we can see that after a long time period, after Feb 2021, the price action, when the price action had this powerful rally and moved down, it is using this EMA 21 as a support, and in the meanwhile the price line is also forming this up channel as well and moving very well between the support and resistance of this channel so far. Okay, here I have also placed this directional movement indicator. This is really very useful indicator to confirm the upcoming bearish or bullish trends. For example, if we examine this pattern here on the daily time frame chart, we can see this blue line is the positive directional index or indicator, and this orange line is the negative directional index that represents the bearish line, and this blue line represents the bullish line, and this is the ADX that represents the power of bulls or bears. For example, at this time we can see that this blue line was above this orange line and ADX was up. So at that time, the ADX was showing the power of bulls. For example, if we would have the orange line, this bearish line above this blue line, and ADX, then ADX would be showing the power of bears. Okay, here we can see that when this blue line crossed up this orange line, for a while the price action moved a little bit sideways because we can see that we had a small rally, then a correction move, and again the price line was moving sideways here. And when this ADX started moving up, that was showing the power of bulls or power of buyers. We can see that we had a very good strong rally to the upside. Then again the price line moved down. ADX was because the ADX was moving down, and here the blue line also crossed down this orange line as well. But for a while this blue line again crossed up the red line and we had a small rally, but ADX was not showing the big power of bulls and again moved down. And here we can also see that this blue line finally crossed down this orange line that was the bear cross or sell signal, and again this blue line crossed up this bearish line, and again ADX started moving up and we had a very good strong rally to the upside. Now we can see that after this rally and during this correction phase, this blue line, the positive directional index, is again moved down, and here we can see that it has crossed down the orange line, and now again it has crossed up this orange line or this bearish line, and now the ADX is moving a little bit sideways. Before that it was moving to the downside, but now you can see it is turning to the right side, and maybe it will be moved up from here. I'm expecting that it will move up from here because it has formed a bullish reversal move as well on the 2-day chart. This is the daily time frame chart, and if ADX will be moved up like this, like we had previously, then we can have such powerful rally again to the upside, and it can even break out this next resistance as well. Now I would like to show you this bullish reversal move that the XMR has formed with the Bitcoin pair on the 2-day chart, and definitely it will turn bullish against the Bitcoin. It will turn more bullish than the Bitcoin market in the US dollar market as well. Therefore we can expect that we may have such rally like we had previously. This was a really very powerful rally. Now here we can see that the price line has entered in this buying zone and moving now sideways and likely to be consolidated here in this buying zone. Now as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley, our buying targets can be 4,331 satoshis to 3,932 satoshis, and our sell targets can be realistic. Sell targets can be 4,646 satoshis up to 5,400 satoshis. However, I'm expecting that we may have a very powerful rally from here, because once the price line will be turned bullish, it can also break out this resistance of the channel, or maybe it will be a rising wedge pattern as well. If it will be dropped from here and it will form a lower high, then it can be turned to the rising wedge pattern. And if it will become a rising wedge pattern, that is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community, but we can expect that it will break out rather than breaking down the support, because there is a very very firm formation of the bullish Gartley move on the 2-day chart with the Bitcoin pair. Therefore, using the support of this pattern, it can break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well, and we can expect that it will also break out this resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.